I Can't English Today stickers as well as other merch on Geek Talk with Tyler's website. Link in the description below.
Alright, look. Let's do this. Welcome, game developers, to Teaches Ue5 Mario 64 clone. Yes. Okay, so... yeah. Alright, so... you might be thinking... well, you might... okay, so first thing I did was I got rid of us setting what the goal reference would be, and there's good reason, because now we have to actually make this AI be able to jump and get to the goal post. So here's where we start to seriously refine the AI. Okay, how do we do that? So let's have the AI jump down. So that means we're gonna have to have the AI jump down and then move to and then go to the goal post. So in order to do that, we need to say, we go in to our Goopa Troopa, right? And then we're gonna add a bool. This bool will be is stage 2. Now in here, we're basically gonna have to do something. So for starters, we'll have to overlap the hitbox, and we're gonna have to say we're gonna hit this, and it is stage 1 complete. And we're gonna recompile these. Now, if stage 1's complete, we have to do a faster route, obviously. So here, so I'm gonna set stage 1 complete to true. So we're gonna get this, and we're gonna branch this out. If stage 2 is complete, is true. If stage 1 is complete, set stage 2 to true. But if not, we do this, and then it'll by default just go back to this. Okay, so now move this down. We get stage 2 and we set it. We set it to true. And plug this in to true. Okay, so we're done here. In our third-person character map, or third-person map, we're gonna highlight this. We're gonna get a reference to our actor. We're gonna get is stage 2. We're gonna get it. And then we're gonna branch this out. Now keep in mind, since I'm running this in the event begin play, this will only run once. So how do we mitigate that? So if we want to mitigate it, we just put a delay and just loop it via false, because we don't want it to loop every tick. You'll actually crash the game if you do that. So how will this work? We're gonna actually add target points and tell it to go to those target points, and then in order to reach the goal. Wouldn't it be easier to just go? Why? Well, this is where we start to really customize our AI. Is that a good thing? Trust me, it is, because you want it. It's best to keep it simple, stupid. So we're gonna go the truly dumb route rather than the AI having to calculate it, because this way, while it's easy to just say, okay, let's have the AI scan for the shortest distance. This gives you a bit more control and customization over the route that you want the AI to take. Is it slower? Is it stupid? Yes, but keep it simple, stupid. So in order to have the AI jump, we're gonna have to have something called what was it called? Proxy. Wait, is there another way to do it? Yeah, if you use nav links. But the proxy AI is the nav mesh proxy allows us to basically do what we can. It lets us go across unnavigable areas. Okay, So how we customize this, you see these 2 points? Yeah. We can customize it. We literally click on it and move it. And then we move this down to about... And as you can see, the down arrow is where we can see where it's going to end up. But if we want to customize it some more, we can do that. Cool. But how will we have the target point? So, well, simply put, we just type in target point. So then we'll have it go to target point. And we'll make sure it's rotating. Do we want it to rotate? Yeah, I mean, I'm going to have it set, I'm going to set it, well, technically speaking, we don't necessarily need to do it. But I just want to do it. And then we Alt, we make another copy. Won't we have to check to see if the, if they're within range? Not really. I mean, if they're in a specific range, we can, but this way is just as well. So anyway, now we grab all these references and the goalpost. We go into our level blueprint. We right-click and then we type in references. Oh, so it creates the references so long as you type it out. Yeah, this way you don't have to like click, then go back, then click, then go back, then click, then go back. So the first target point we're going to go to is target point. Wait, won't we have to... Wait, Doug, in stage... If stage 2 wasn't set to false, why don't we just have it move to the goalpost? You can, but, like, no. Alright. Shit. What was I going to say? Fuck. Fuck. I'm losing my mind. Hold on. Excuse me. Okay. Yeah, this is the Goopa Troopa. Get, we need to see get controller. And then from there, we move to, simple move to actor. Controller is going to be set to, by default, controller is going to be set to controller, and then goal will be set to you. And then we move these, and then we just quickly, and then we just duplicate 3 times. I really think we should check to see if we're within the world location. Well, we can if you want. Fine, if you want to do that that badly. I mean, I'm not gonna. But, all right. If you want to, well, let's do this my way first, and then we'll do the other way. Okay. Instead of that, we get rid of you. And then, where's goalpost 2? Target point 2. Boop. And now, we duplicate again. Move this in. Move this up. You two come with. Then it's you. And then finally the goalpost. Duplicate. Did Mario 64 actually do this? Sounds, yeah. They have the money to, because it's Nintendo, Nintendo has the money to basically say, do what we can to make this shit right. People really do customize the AI routes like this? Yeah. It's best to keep it simple. Look, the stupid method actually does work, whether you like it or not. Right. What's going on? I'm simulating. Selected viewport. So it goes, jumps down. Ah, he went to the goalpost. Alright. Alright, fun. So now you gotta, let's do it the dumber way then. Oh. So we do the we get the actor location, and we get both actor locations. Actor location. Control duplicate. We have to say is equal to. Then we have to give it a tolerance of, say, I don't know. I'll say 25. Branch. Plug in. Delay 0.2 seconds. On false. Go there. Go there. And then we just... Why don't you move the whole thing up? Yeah, because I intend to duplicate it. Oh, okay, yeah. And we don't necessarily have to do it all the fucking time. We just need to get in there. And then get in there. So now, nope. Duplicate. Alright, let me get this in a little order. Hoping not to do that, but whatever. So, people really do customize this AI like this. Yeah, it does that all the time. Especially if you're doing especially if you want them on rails. That means you're gonna have to do splines, and they follow that spline to a T. Can we do that? Yeah. God, someone's listening to fucking what the hell is that again? Foo Fighters? Yeah, there you go. Ugh. You think it's gonna be on the capture? I hope not, but if it is, it's not the end of the world, because I'll just keep talking over it. La 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 la. What the hell's a blue? Who cares? Anyway, and then this goes into here, you go into true, and finally target point 3 gets duplicated and then gets plugged into here. So now we have to actually make, so this way it actually follows said route. Have you figured out what? What? Hold on. The fuck? Huh. Give me a second. It's stage 2. Target point. I'll upgrade the tolerance to 50. Target point 2. 50. Target point 3. 50. Scalar set. Ah. Shift F1. Why isn't it running? That's weird. You wanna try getting rid of the branch? Let's get rid of this branch real fast to see what... Because it might be the actor locations. I'll say work location. Fine. Actor location. Actor location. Oh God. Actor location. World location. No, it is actor location. Actor location. This is weird. There you go. Yeah. It doesn't like the branch. What if I give it a higher tolerance? Yeah, I'll give it a higher tolerance of like 100. Dude, you put in 1,000. I don't care. Yeah, it's the tolerance. So we're gonna have to. So what? We're gonna have to tweak this number. Either way, I'll put it at 100. Let's see what happens. Yep. It's the tolerance. Now, why are you doing this? Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck! Dude, really? Yes, I want to win this. I'm gonna win this. Fuck you! No! Ah! Eat me, you bastard! Eat me! Win! You cannot stop Venario. Woohoo! Oh yeah, feels so good to win. So what other AI are we gonna do? Probably we'll do the thwomp. And then well obviously we need to tackle flying AI too. What about that huge sand thing? Huge sand thing? And there's an enemy in Mario 64 that's made up of a ton of balls. Oh, that. Well, cause that's gonna take some doing though. I'm probably honestly gonna skip that one. Oh really? Cause like the way that works is, you have to stack it and then destroy that component. Well, maybe. I'll think about that one. That might actually, you know what? I might put that on the list. Because you essentially have to stack it, designate which one's the head, and then you keep hitting it until you hit the head. How'll that work? Well, you can just, there's more than one way. You don't necessarily have to destroy, an actor. You can just destroy that component and then keep going until, I'll think about it. Either way, it's either going to be the thwomp or the rabbit that runs between bits. Anyway, and in the case, we are Dunyan Rings. End it here, narrator. And there you have it, game developers. Tune in next time for Doug Teaches Unreal Engine 5.